Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi. It's got no central heating and it's got no hot water.
Okay, see.
Now it's going through ignition process. It's sparking, but it's not igniting. So we're going to look into that, diagnose it, and repair it. So I've just reset it and we're checking it out. We checked it out and it was sparking, and I saw the sparking. I'm sorry, I didn't have it in the film. I didn't put it in the film. So it's going through all that process, and I checked the voltage going to the gas valve. There is voltage going to it, but the gas valve isn't opening. So the diagnosis on this is we need to change the gas valve on this. So I went out and went to a local supplier, got myself a new gas valve. I'm going to put a new gas valve in, and we're going to hopefully get this boiler up and running for these good people. Right guys, the old gas valve is out, the new one's going to go in, and hopefully we're going to do our safety checks and we're going to test it out. Hopefully all will be working fine after that. Now we've got 18 years experience in boiler repairs. We repair all your favourite boilers from Wayland, Baxi, Worcester, Bosch, Biasi, Ideal, and many more. We also do commercial boilers and we're getting pretty good at that now too. Now if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham or the surrounding area, domestic or commercial, give us a call. All we do is repair boilers. We don't do installation work anymore, and just emergency repairs on boilers. We also do gas safety certificates and boiler service. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right, the new gas valve is on. Time to connect the power to it and test it out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Right, the central heating is working, and we're just testing the hot water out. Now that's working fine too. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.